Clearly, this isn't for everybody because some people like to go to the esthetician's office and spend hundreds of dollars. But if you want something to repair your skin's barrier, boost hydration, and get your glow back without the bill, then this COSRX Morning Glow Emergency Set is exactly what you're looking for. You get the Snail Mucin Essence, the Snail All-in-One Cream, and then the Snail Mucin Hydrogel Mask. This is all designed for rapid recovery when your skin is irritated, dry, or dull. The Snail Mucin will help strengthen your skin's barrier. Smooth texture, gives you that glass skin hydration without making your skin look greasy.